We run our entire company with Zoho, from accounting to HR, loss prevention, document management, everything pretty much.
We're a tugboat company, and we have about 65 tugboats that are entering their daily traffic within Zoho Creator, and that's how we're using that, and I've been very happy with it. It's an excellent product.
A very warm welcome. So today we have with us Mr. Hadi, who's the lead IT manager with Shine Auto Parts, and Mr. Muhammad Majid, the senior project manager, who's taken care of all the implementation of the entire Zoho Creator implementation in Shine Auto Parts. Nice having you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So while Shine Auto Parts is one of the leading auto spare parts suppliers in Australia, I would want to know a little bit more about the business from your end.
Yeah, sure. So we at Shine Auto Parts have been in the business since 2014. We've been operating under a different brand name, but Shine Auto Parts in particular is a part of the entire umbrella. And have been in the business since 2014. So we are located in Western Australia. And initially, when we started the business in 2014, we were only about 6 to 8 employees overall. And we've been growing, and it's been a very exciting journey. And now we employ about 35 people in the company. So Shine Auto Parts mainly deals with auto parts, used auto parts, and we supply to a number of customers, being the local public, the other businesses, other wreckers, and the automotive industry overall.
Nice. And also, Mr. Mohammed, what was the key business driver for change? Why were you really looking for a low-code solution like Zoho Creator back then?
The main business driver for us as a business was the implementation of technology, because managing information manually was becoming a bit of a problem for us, because of the volume of information coming through by our customers. But also it's about being efficient in the business and having the right information at the right time to be able to make the sales. I would say having the right information at the right time is the main driver for our business as well as for our success.
That's really nice to know. Also, specifically in your business, I believe there are more than 8,500 parts at any given point of time that you manage, and also roughly more than 1,500 cars that you have on standby. So how easy was it to transfer all of that data from a paper-based system onto a low-code platform like Zoho Creator? What were the typical challenges that you faced, and how was your journey like implementing the software?
Well, obviously we had a lot of data to enter into the system, and we've started using Zoho since June or July 2019. It's been full on, and we've been working on refining and feeding data into the system since day one. Started working on Zoho. And we're still working on it, so we're still trying to implement new features into the system, because the good thing about Zoho is that it gives us free hand to customize stuff on Zoho Creator. And then the fact that we can integrate Zoho with other systems was also a big plus when it comes to transferring data onto Zoho.
Right. And also, how many applications have you built on Zoho Creator so far?
Since we have implemented Zoho Creator in the company, I created multiple applications in Zoho Creator, like automotive application where it deals with all our inventories in the company, like the vehicle details, like buying the vehicle and selling back the vehicle to the customers. So normally it deals with all inventories. And then we got another application called HRMI system, where it deals with all our internal employees' details And then we got another application called Asset Management System, where it deals with our internal company asset things like the furniture, like the computers, the software, which licenses overdue, or which license is going to be expired, all those things. And then we got another application called Error Detection System, where it normally detects all the false actions where that has been taken by the employees, by the human, and do it mistakenly. So that system cross-match everything in the back end, like the auditing, like doing auditing in the back end, and then it will pop up with a report, sending like schedule reports to the admin or to the reception or to any relevant department, where it says like these things happen, so normally it detect the errors and then send the report to the relevant department. And then we got another application called Document Management System, which is really helped us. Like we have traditionally, we have a archive as shelves, like where we put all the paperwork, all the documents on the shelves and keep storing them for ages. But by chance, maybe something happened and a disaster, like it get fired, so we may lose all of those documents. So we got a proper, we have created a proper system where we store all our those documents digitally in the system, and very easily we can find it back through the system, rather than going physically and taking like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or maybe 15 minutes to find that document and then do our work. So basically, these are the main applications that we are currently running in the company and really help us. So to be honest, this application really run our entire company. So yeah.
Right. And just a little bit more about your business. Like, what are the different customer touch points that you have? Like, do you do just counterpart sales, or do you do sales between businesses as well?
Yeah, we have a number of customer types, being the customers who would come over the counter and would be a one-off customer, as well as we have customers who would regularly buy products of us, being the other businesses. So we do have the B2B and B2C model of the sales in our company.
Okay. And currently, how many users are using the Zoho Creator application in your business?
So we have a number of main users, being about 6 to 8 employees, but then we have the
customer portal users.
Oh yes. Yeah. So we use customer portal to work out and give them limited access to what they want, and they're about
250 users.
So we've got 250 users of customer portal, where internal and external people involved with our company have different access channels to that system.
Right. And while Mr. Hadi, you have created the application from scratch, you've also done a lot of coding and added new features on the existing application at AutoShine Parts. What are the top 3 features of Zoho Creator which you personally liked?
The top 3 features that I have personally liked about Zoho Creator is, so number 1, it has best workflow or cloud-based script management, where we can easily create and manage different types of notifications, workflows, and so on. And the number 2 would be like, it is easy to integrate with other apps using REST API connections, and especially with Zoho Flow, where we can integrate Zoho Creator with other third parties apps very easily. And the number 3 would be easy to build apps visually, such as a form, such as a report, such as a customized dashboard, especially with the complex report, especially with the customized dashboard, where it supports different languages like Java, HTML, ZML, SNP, and so more. So yeah, these are the top 3 features that I really like.
Sure thing. And you mentioned about some integrations which you've done on Zoho Creator. Can you describe one particular integration which has really helped your business?
Okay. We have integrated many different third parties applications into our Zoho Creator application, which really helped the company and cut most of heavy and time-consuming steps. We have integrated different payments gateways where our sales reception can easily now enter the amount, and the customer can easily pay it on device rather than taking extra steps for payments of their items or goods or parts. And we have integrated two-way integration between our social lead channels, like our website, where the system in the back end handles all our stock status between Zoho Creator and our website. And where we have integrated alert notifications SMS services into our Zoho Creator, where it handles all the follow-up of our customer inquiries based on timeframes, such as the invoices, overdue of invoice, follow-up on their follow-up on their inquiries, and sending certain campaigns based on customer interest. And then we have integrated some chatbots into our Zoho Creator, where it handles all our virtual reception, like maybe after official hours or late night, the customer visit company's website, and here the chatbot can easily take the customer details and create inquiries rather than a human, and the same so many more.
And before Zoho Creator, which was the solution that you were using to manage your business processes?
Before Zoho, we would use off-the-shelf softwares like Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, Google Calendar being one of the very most popular one that we used to use at the time for booking jobs, because we wanted to capture the information, but also we wanted to capture all that information into one single screen and work out the schedules. But now everything has gone. It's all now in one single platform. And the main issue that we had by using the older technologies or older products was there was no integration. All the information was scattered all over the place. Some of the information was in Google Calendar, some of the information was in a spreadsheet, some of this information was in a Word document, and it was all disconnected. There was no relationship between them. But now all of them are all single in one spot, one place for us, and that is Zoho.
That's really nice to know. And Mr. Mohammed, just to quantify the type of operational efficiencies that you've had, or the amount of time that you've saved, would you add a number to it? Like, is there a percentage change, say a 50% increase in efficiency, or is there a quantifiable number that you have tracked?
Yeah, from the time we've started using Zoho, we have observed a improvement into not only in our services for our customers, but also the efficiency into our business, resulting at approximately $1 million worth of additional sales than the previous years that we used to make in the company. So I believe that is a very helpful element by implementing Zoho into the company. So we have observed about 30 to 40% increase in our efficiency and turnover overall.
Got it. Okay. Yeah. So I think while we sign off, is there anything else that you would like to add as part of the case study?
Well, it's been a very exciting journey, and we are thankful to Zoho and the entire team that has helped us and have been, troubleshooting or helping, assisting us along the way. So we are delighted to work with Zoho, and moving forward, we would like to expand all our products that we have in the company, and we would like to sign up to more Zoho products and start working with other stuff that we can potentially get benefit out of it. But also, we are keen to work with Zoho to promote these services and these products to other potential customers of Zoho, that other businesses can benefit out of this similar to us.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Mohammed, and thanks, Hadi.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.